Shoutcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
PBA-owned arena. Na ang tagal ko nang naririnig itong balita na ito. Actually, I thought ngayong last year, 2025, yung groundbreaking based dun sa original news na narinig ko. So, narinig ko ulit kay Kume based dito sa report or sa video ni Ernest Leo ng Sports on Air na pinost din ni Homer Sison. So, ang pag-uusapan natin dito bago ko pakita yung video, while I feel that exciting magkaroon po ng PBA Arena, siguro kung a few years back, parang napakagandang concept. Pero parang ngayon, parang exciting pa rin naman, kaso it could be counterproductive. And let me tell you why. Explain ko po na maayos sa inyo. But let's listen to this first.
Dagdag lang din, ito lang nga 58th year tayo, 'di ba? Magwa one conference na tayo. Meron na bang mga nadagdag sa mga plano sa 58th year natin?
Meron pero baka pero dahan-dahan na baka makapag-groundbreaking tayo ng ating sariling arena. Pero sana pinagdadasal namin.
Okay. So, actually, Kumish, I'm excited about that. Pinagdadasal ko rin. Sana matuloy na. It's not because, I think it's the right solution. But first and foremost, let's answer the fundamental question. Why do we need to have a PBA arena? Right? So, unang-una, ang narinig ko, kasi it solves the scheduling problem. Ito yung pangarap ng PBA at saka dapat naman talaga PBA magkaroon ng sariling arena. So, kasi kumbaga, ang nakakalungkot dito, yung PBA, di ba may Araneta, may Mall of Asia. Ito yung dalawa na laging pinaglalaroan na prime destinations po ng basketball. Minsan, nauuna pa yung NCAA at saka UAAP. Napaprioritize pa sila. Nakakalungkot yung kaysa sa professional. No? Tapos yung mga finals natin, ito, no, may sa Inyares Arena. Maganda naman yung Inyares, pero syempre pag finals, dapat mga Araneta Coliseum yan. Pero dahil nga scheduling conflict, dun, sa mas maliliit na gym for a PBA finals. Right? You understand where I'm coming from. Again, I support the PBA, love the PBA, especially Hinebra, lata naman. But the thing that I'm trying to say is, what do we want to solve here? Yung scheduling conflict. Kasi I think kung scheduling conflict, kung mas maaga naman tsaka mahal daw pala, mahal kasi yung renta sa mga big league. So, kumbaga, it saves money. Because, sa mga big arena, it saves money because hindi mo na kailangan gumas, may sarili kang arena. One time, big time, and then gastos ka sa construction, maganda yung arena. Sana maganda arena, sana malaki arena. Depende. Kung maliit lang din yung gagawin, di parang parang hindi mo rin gagamitin yan lalo na paglaro ng Hinebra at finals napunta. Diba? Napupuno nga yung Araneta Coliseum at saka Mall of Asia Arena. Kung ganun kalaki, parang mga ganun, parang hirap paniwalaan na ganun kalaki yung gagawin kasi para namang hindi realistic sa mga nanonood ngayon. So, the point that I'm trying to say here sa mga nanonood po, exciting yung magkaroon ng sariling arena, sariling property, and it should be the case. But will it solve the problem? But I think yung problem ng scheduling, yes, possible ma-solve. Yung renta na possible ma-solve. Ang ganda, no? However, the PBA, I think the PBA having their own arena, it adds up a lot of other issues kasi management na yan ng building Although I think, originally they're partnering with Chavit Singson LCS Group. So if it's their own arena, isipin na lang natin, that means kailangan hindi siguro masusustain ng PBA based sa mga numbers ng nanonood. Gets mo? Especially, maglalaro yung, no disrespect, pero real talk lang, pag maglalaro yung Terra Firma, maglalaro yung mga bottom teams na hindi masyado maraming fans. So, how will it sustain the maintenance? No? So, ibig sabihin, paparentahan din nila sa labas yan. So, magpapa-concert, magpapaganito, kung ano naman. But here's my biggest thing. the biggest concern of the fans is that yung PBA lagi na lang naglalaro sa Araneta lang at saka sa MOA lang. Those two or Araneta is parang ito yung parang home of the PBA. Inyares, so kabisado na yan. Pero sinasabi nila ng mga ibang fans, kasi pag nanonood ka ng PBA sa YouTube, ang dami eh. Minsan, no, millions of views. Ibig sabihin, marami pa ring fan talaga ang PBA. Pero nasan sila? So, the point that I'm trying to say here is that it's good to have the arena, but it doesn't really solve yung pinaka-issue natin, which is to reach the fans. Especially in this day and age, Araneta Coliseum is always traffic, MOA, the Metro Manila is always traffic. No, I'm not saying to go out of town, but I guess yung out of town talaga, maganda rin naman. All I'm saying is that kung scheduling issue, in advance, magagawa naman ng paraan yan kung maibook agad eh. No, it's just magaling lang talaga yung scheduler. Tapos, ang mas naisip ko, hindi ko alam kung if it makes sense, no? Na ano lang kasi ako, kaya ako sinabi na baka counterproductive. Kasi doon na gagawin karamihan ng siguro, or if not all or karamihan ng basketball. Ibig sabihin, mako-concentrate na naman doon. Hindi naman lahat ng fan taga-Pasig eh. Kasi originally, parang sa Metro Walk Pasig daw eh. I don't know kung saan banda doon. Eh, traffic din doon. So, paano kung taga Bulacan ka, taga ano ka, taga ibang lugar ka. So, yan na yung nagiging issue eh kung sa mga yung lugar eh. Yung Araneta lang ng Araneta, sinasabi nila maraming mga fans. No? So, I think the out of town schedule should be scheduled in advance, ayusin lang. Pero ang isang naisip ko, instead of just building its own arena, which is still exciting, di ba? Depende yung gano'ng kalaki o gano'ng kaganda yung arena na yan at paano nila isusustain yung arena. Ang problema nga, again, ulitin ko, ang problema, hindi na nila masustain yung foot attendance, gagawa pa sila ng arena. It's so scary. Na-gets mo? Parang gagawa ka ng arena, hindi mo mga puno yung maliit na arena. Parang kung ikaw yung investor, how would you do that? Hindi naman laging Hinebra maglalaro. So I think what I'm trying to say is that sa NBA may kanya-kanyang arena. No, I'm not trying to say na maggawa ng sariling arena yung mga teams, which is also parang mahirap din. All I'm trying to say is that instead of just building the arena or maybe not building the arena yet, is to partner or each team partners with the different existing arena na parang home court nila. Parang, I would say this, parang MPBL. No, and then dapat may stake yung team na yon. It doesn't have to be one team. Kunwari, mahina yung team. Magkasama yung, for example, Blackwater tsaka Phoenix, home arena nila yon. Tapos may stake dapat sila doon. Which means, kung ilan ang manonood doon, dapat may stake sila. Meron din silang responsibility to get their own followers. Parang ginagawa sa MPBL pag taga-doon ka, gano'n. So, you see where I'm coming from? So, kunwari sa Cavite, no? Sa Cavite, malapit-lapit lang sa Metro Manila. Or Cuneta, may partner siya na dalawang team sila doon. Or Hinebra doon, kunwari home court. Hinebra in charge doon na maghatak din, tapos may branding din nila doon. Or maybe yung arena na yon could be sponsored by another brand. That could be parang that could be the way for that brand to enter the PBA without having a team but owning an arena that's co-partner or collab with the team. So may commercial, may advertisement. I don't know, ang parang sa akin lang pag nilagay mo sa isang lugar na lang yung PBA, hindi niya masosolve yung fundamental issue na wala nang nanonood, i-stick mo pa sa isang lugar. So mas maganda kung shared mo, pati yung responsibility of the foot attendant, i-shared mo sa team, parang sa NBA. So hatakin mo, home court mo to, 'di ba? Also 2 games din. Syempre parang MPBL style. So 2 games in that arena, ikot-ikot lang. Tapos hindi mo pag-aari yung arena, so kumbaga partnership lang, nirerentahan mo at that certain point. May 2 games doon pero home court lagi. Yung pag home court yun ng ng Blackwater, sila yung main game doon. At least iba-iba yung ang pinaka-idea ko lang, kaya ako sinabi yan. At least iba-iba yung lugar. Tapos mapipilitan din maghatak yung team. Doon mo malalaman talaga kung sino lang talaga yung bumubuhay sa PBA. At doon mo rin malalaman na dapat talaga may effort din yung team na pasikatin yung team nila. Hindi lang para maglaro sa PBA. Yun yung akin. Siguro yung thoughts ko hindi pa ganun kalinaw. But essentially, all I'm trying to say is, ang hirap kasi maggawa ng sariling arena. Yung hindi ka na makabuo. Yung per team, yung PBA nga nahihirapan pa magbuo na nandoon lahat ng teams maglalaro. Paano pa pag kunwari gagawa ng arena yung isang koponan? Pala sana kung Hinebra yan. Hindi ba? So, paano pa? So, partner na lang sa mga existing arena and rebrand the arena collab. And then, yon ganun. At least, iba't ibang lugar, you reach different audience and then you can start from there. Kasi ngayon, papupuntahin mo lagi sa isang lugar yung sila-sila lang din yung nakakanood. I think, importante na may reach na bagong audience ang PBA, especially in the 50th years, especially yung mga bata ngayon. Halos kanya-kanya na eh. Kung dati pare-pares tayo pinapanood, ngayon kanya-kanya na yung mga bata. So, it helps kung mas malapit lang yung venue, you reach new fans. Or iba't ibang lugar yung venue. Kahit Metro Manila or near area, and then hindi rin mawala yung tawag dito, yung out of town. Just a thought. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section.